nigga. You knocking like the police. My bad. You know. Sorry, how may I help you? They said you usually use the nigga that can help me fix my credit. Oh, okay. Yeah, why you got a mask on? But yeah, come here and have a seat. Let's talk first, and let's see where we could help you out, brother. Alright, come have a seat. Alright. Why the fuck you got a gun? Bro, you gotta be on point at all times, bro. Word of my blood. 5, 6, bro. Word of my mother, bro. But not. Yeah, bro. I heard you can help me with this credit, B. Alright, do you know your credit score? My credit score, bro, when I wanna look, is like 200, bro. My shit at 200. Like 200. I went on the app and it said my shit was 200, bro. I need you to help me, bro. Can you do that? Yeah, we could. I could probably help you with that, bro. You know what I'm saying? But what we first gonna have to do is we're gonna have to get your credit report from all 3 credit bureaus. We're gonna need your information like your date of birth, your address, and social security number, and then we're gonna have to go from there. That's something you wanna do? You asking a lot, like, bro, you want a lot of personal information, bro. And I just came home from jail, blood. Like, I don't even know if I should be giving you all that information. Niggas be out here scamming. But 200, but yeah, bro, with a 200 credit score, ain't really too much scamming that I could do with that. You know what I'm saying? That's what I've been trying to tell people, that, like, if you got a messed up credit, I can't do nothing with that to gain nothing from it. Plus, I have non-disclosure forms for my clients. But if you can help me, though, you know how much it's gonna cost me. You know, okay. Base fee is starting at like $200 to $250 to $100, depending on if you just want letters. Do you want a person to work with you until things done? Or do you just want some collections removed, or just the information? All depends. But the base fee right now is like $200. That's good for you? Yeah. Bro, yeah, that shit alright, bro. I could work with that. 200 ain't a lot, bro. I thought you was gonna say bands. Plus, I see you got some good reviews online. You've been helping a couple of the bros and sisters, but you know what I'm saying? 200 ain't bad, bro. Can we start today? I bet. So let's get it started, and thank you for coming today and getting with me to get your credit repaired. If you need help with your credit, I'm the go-to guy. And we don't just do credit. We can help you get access to funding, credit building, and also suing them debt collectors for legally handling your information. Stay tuned. Come on. Come get in this course.
He asks me who I do it for. I tell him I did it for the Jets, did it for the street, I did it for the